In this video, we're going to take a look at the 2023 question 15, which had an element of borrowing, saving and investing. It was a short question worth 6 marks. So Mary would like to buy a smart TV. The TV she wants to purchase is priced at €1,000. She has seen the following information on ccpc.ie. So you've got a bank loan there, personal loan €1,000 and repayments 12 months and €87.24. So Mary has decided to get the loan from the bank. Calculate the interest and the total cost of the TV for Mary using the information provided above. So, how much will Mary pay for the television in total? So she's decided to get the loan from the bank, but the repayments are €87.24 per month. Okay, so it would be 12 months multiplied by €87.24, which is €1,046.88. And so how much interest will Mary pay? Well, the loan is only 1,000. The loan plus the interest is €1,046.88. So therefore, the interest that Mary will pay will be €46.88. So that is question 15 complete.